very excited about this house. This might be my favorite, most anticipated thing.
Get ready!
Don't have to have seen the film to love it. If you just love Ghostbusters. Lauren, how do you feel?
Cool big props. It was amazing. I really liked it.
Not as scary, but a lot of big, cool, practical special effects.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.